Mr. VSS Money at Justdial is joining us right now. The initial public offering opens up today. They allotted stock to anchor investors. Pretty impressive list. So thanks very much for your time. Good to have you back. Can you just run us through? I mean, you know, the response is pretty strong. So you got FID funds, Fidelity, HDFC Mutual Fund. It's a long list, sir. Can you just talk about this, about the response?
Thank you, Prashant. As I said, the response from international investors has been fantastic. We've got Goldman Sachs Asset Management, HSBC, Howders, DSV BlackRock, Fidelity, Temasek, and also domestic funds like HDFC Capital Builder and Birla Sun Life. So the response has been phenomenal.
Does this give you confidence that the offering will get a strong response from others as well in the market?
Definitely. There are many other large such funds, international and domestic, which also wanted to participate in the IPO, not necessarily on the anchor, because anchor you could accommodate only a limited number of names. And of course, these anchor investors themselves would want to own more of our company, so they would also apply at IPO, probably several times more, hoping to get some decent allocation. And at the same time, there are a large number of other funds, international funds, which would want to participate in the IPO, which missed the anchor tranche,
Right. So you're confident that and the markets are pretty supportive right now, so I guess that acts as a pretty strong tailwind. Bad markets always make it tougher for IPOs, but this is a good market, right?
Yeah, thankfully so. Yes, good markets are always supportive, and general mood for public and investors is generally good. That they would probably look at as an opportunity. So we are really excited about the market supporting.
Got that. I did last week when we chatted. I didn't get any future-looking numbers from you. Would you want to put anything out in terms of earnings that you'd be able to do in 14, 15?
Prashant, unfortunately, we cannot share any future forward-looking numbers. Only post-listing, if we may decide to have guidance. That time probably we can give you some privy to those information. Right now, I cannot give you any future information. You can speak to some of our analysts. Maybe they would be able to guide you.
All right. Good luck. Thanks very much for joining in. We discussed business prospects and drivers last week when we had you on the show. Thanks for that quick call this morning, sir. Appreciate it. That's the management at Justdial with essentially the basics. They have a strong list of anchor investors who've got on board with that issue. It opens up for retail investors and everybody else today. All right. Anil Bagdani is with us.